50 simple sentences on travel and outdoors. 1. I am packing my bag. 2. The train is arriving on time. 3. Where is the nearest bus stop? 4. He is buying a ticket. 5. We are waiting at the station. 6. The flight is delayed. 7. She is booking a hotel room. 8. I want to sit near the window. 9. The taxi is very expensive. 10. Please show me the way. 11. I am looking for the airport. 12. The road is very crowded. 13. We are crossing the street. 14. He is driving to the city. 15. The bus is full of passengers. 16. She is carrying a backpack. 17. We are traveling by train. 18. The map is very useful. 19. I am taking a photograph. 20. They are visiting new places. 21. The mountains look beautiful. 22. We are walking in the forest. 23. She is climbing the hill. 24. He is swimming in the river. 25. The beach is very clean. 26. We are enjoying the sunset. 27. The weather is pleasant. 28. I am wearing sunglasses. 29. The park is full of flowers. 30. They are riding bicycles. 31. I am camping in the jungle. 32. The guide is very friendly. 33. We are exploring the market. 34. She is buying souvenirs. 35. The food is delicious here. 36. He is speaking to the driver. 37. I need a travel bag. 38. We are standing in the queue. 39. The train leaves at 6 o'clock. 40. I am paying the taxi fare. 41. The road is very long. 42. They are hiking together. 43. The boat is moving slowly. 44. I am watching birds. 45. She is drinking coconut water. 46. We are sitting near the waterfall. 47. He is checking the travel tickets. 48. The city is very crowded. 49. I am enjoying my trip. 50. Travel makes me happy.